Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming versions so you know what you're fixing. Check Assetto Corsa and any YouTube integration mod version numbers. Once done, back up the game folder and profile so mistakes are reversible. Next, exit Steam and all overlays because they commonly block external web players. Then run Steam's Verify Integrity to restore missing files. This sequence removes basic conflicts quickly and makes sure you're working from a clean, restorable state before deeper adjustments. You now focus on the mod and its dependencies because most failures come from a bad plugin install or missing runtime. First, open the mod folder and confirm. DLL, ini, and web resource files exist. Re-extract the mod if anything's missing. Make sure Chromium embedded framework or required. NET runtimes are installed and up to date. Then edit the plugin. Ini to point to correct paths, enable debug logging, and permit network access. These steps restore the plugin's ability to load and stream reliably. You finish by restarting the PC and launching Assetto Corsa as administrator to ensure permissions aren't blocking the player. Test YouTube playback in safe mode to isolate other mods. Then review the plugin debug logs for specific errors like missing codecs or blocked sockets, and revert to a known stable release if the current build is unstable. If problems remain, reset network drivers, inspect firewall rules, and perform a clean mod reinstall. Quick troubleshooting tip. If playback shows black screen, toggle hardware access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.